I'm going to quickly run you through how to make a US iCloud account outside the US. It's super easy. I've noticed some people have been having a few issues with it. Let's get into it in this video. But before that, can't you create an Apple ID? Or are you getting stuck on verification, region errors, or endless setup issues? Don't stress it. I've got you covered. I'll professionally create a secure, fully functional Apple ID for you. Fast, clean, and ready to use across all Apple services. Check my service on Rolladell in the description below. So back to the video. The first thing you need to do is make sure it looks like you're connecting to the internet from within the US. The easiest way to do that is with a VPN, and the VPN I've been using to do this in New Zealand is ExpressVPN. I think it's the best VPN on the market. It's the only VPN with a native app on Apple TV. So if that's what you're looking to do, you kind of have to get ExpressVPN. Other than that, it just works really well. So what I'm going to do is connect to a US server. Where are we here? Americas. There we go. Now, once that's connected, I'm going to open a browser. If your browser is already open, I advise you to close it first, then reopen it. That just ensures that it's using the VPN connection. Then you're going to go to a website called appleid.apple.com, and up here you're going to click create your Apple ID, and then you're going to fill out this form. Crucial things to remember is you need to set your country and region to the United States. Make sure you use an active email address because you will get a verification email. And down here, it doesn't matter what country you're in. I'm in New Zealand. I can use my own phone number, and I managed to receive confirmation texts. So I'm just going to quickly fill that out and show you what it looks like once it's done. So I've just filled out that form. And as you can see, I now have an Apple iCloud account that's based in the US. You can see my country and region is set to the United States. That's how easy it is.